Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you two easy ways to check if your iPhone is original. The first method uses your iPhone's model number, and the second uses Apple's official website to verify your device. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Now tap About. Scroll down until you find the model number. If you only see the part number, tap on it once to display the model number that begins with a letter. Now check the first letter. If it starts with M, your iPhone was sold as a brand new retail device by Apple. If it starts with F, it means the iPhone is an Apple-certified refurbished device. If it starts with N, it means the iPhone is a replacement device provided by Apple after a repair or service request. Keep in mind that these letters tell you the device's sales history, not whether it's genuine or fake. Now let's verify your iPhone using Apple's official website. While you're still in the About page, find your serial number. Press and hold the serial number, then tap Copy. Next, open the Safari app. Search for Apple Check Coverage or visit Apple's official Check Coverage page. Paste your serial number into the verification box. Complete the verification, then tap Continue. If Apple recognizes your serial number and displays your device information, purchase details, and warranty or coverage status, your iPhone is recognized in Apple's official database. If the serial number is invalid or not recognized, double-check that you entered it correctly. If it's still not recognized, that could indicate a problem with the device and you should investigate further before buying or using it. And that's it. Those are two of the easiest ways to check your iPhone's authenticity and learn more about its history. If this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.